At the back here, we have our power hub. Now halfway up on the right-hand side, we're going to have two buttons. It's our DC reset. So DC power, reset that's going to reactivate our app. If our app was connected somewhere else and we want to do it to a new device, hold the DC button for 4 or 5 seconds, then we can reinstall that app on the next one. The other one is AC power. So the second button, that little button, is my AC reset. If I find that my induction or aircon is not staying on, or I have tripped it, use the AC reset, and this will bring all our 240 power back online. This is Shane from SEQ Campers, and we get you there and back with the luxury off-road Kimberley Caravan.